Okay guys, I just took out some braids, so this is not even the ideal time to be relaxing my hair. I know this, I'm aware of it, but I'm just willing to suffer the consequences because I just want to get my hair all the way together. I'm going to protect my skin by using this scalp protector from Olive Oil. I'm going to just run it around my hairline and like around my ears. Today I'm going to be using the Affirm Argan Relaxer, and this is in mild, so this is more for like fine and color treated hair. Previously I did use the ORS. It gives me like a bone straight relaxer. This one gives me, I want to say like 60% relax, and I prefer that right now. At first I didn't like it, but I can appreciate it now because I can see the difference. So my hair is more fuller. It stays fuller when I use this relaxer, because it still keeps a lot of the texture, which I kind of need right now. But I believe that this truly serves its purpose, and I'm happy I didn't throw it away. Oh, also my hair is 4 weeks post relaxer. So I relaxed my hair on New Year's Eve, and today is January the 30th. The reason why I shouldn't be relaxing my hair after just taking out some really small and tight braids is because my scalp is not irritated, but yeah, irritated, like it wasn't left alone. And also I just drank some coffee. It's not good to drink coffee before you relax your hair, or like just in general if you know you're gonna get a relaxer. For some chemical reason, it allows your scalp to burn, and you feel the burn a lot faster. It makes your scalp sensitive. So I'm starting at the back. And then I'll work my way to the front. I always start at the back because the front is more sensitive and more light, faster to process, quicker to feel the burn, unfortunately. So I'm just working with the back first, and then I always do the front and the perimeter, like the hairline, last. I know I'm like sharing all this information, but if you have a choice and if you can, go to the salon to get your hair relaxed. It is a serious chemical process. You can really severely damage your hair. You can break your hair, you can overprocess your hair, you can get a chemical burn. It's very serious, and it's not something that you should just pick up and do. But I understand that, and I understand the risks. Even as a hairstylist, I should still take my butt to the salon and have someone who can see over my head, see over my scalp, and properly apply the relaxer. Although they sell relaxers in the store, it's still a dangerous process. Like, there's consequences to this. You know what I mean? Don't take it too lightly. Just because you see the girlies on here slapping relaxer in, you have to be cautious. You have to make sure that you're picking the correct relaxer for your hair. So it's been about 18 minutes and my hair looks pretty smooth. I can wash it out, and I'm surprised that it's not burning. So I don't know what that means, but it's not burning at all. So I'm gonna go shampoo, wash out my hair, neutralize it, condition it. And I also have the Argan Oil shampoo, neutralizing shampoo, and they're 5-in-1 reconstructor. I'm gonna be rinsing my hair black, jet black, and I'm using the Clairol Beautiful Collection moisturizing color in jet black, which is B22D. Ideally, I'd want to put this in a bowl and then apply it to my hair. I made sure that my hair is not dripping wet, because if it's not towel dried, then all that rinse, all of this is gonna come dripping out your hair along with the water, and then you're just gonna have a big mess. And this is just how I do it, guys. Obviously, you can do it how you want. I need gloves. That's what I really need, because my nails are gonna get stained. Okay, so I put down some down the middle. Ooh. And I'm just spreading it. I'm just gonna take this comb and just slowly comb it through. Gently, I should say, because I don't want anything to like splat. All right, so I'm gonna let it sit for like 20 minutes and before I rinse it out. So I'll come back with it rinsed out and we're gonna mold. I just rinsed out the color. My hair feels kind of dry, like it feels kind of stiff. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna add a little tiny drop of leave-in moisturizer. It has like a softening effect that I like, that I'll use if my hair feels really dry. It's the Serena Key leave-in moisturizer. If my hair feels damaged. The mousse I'm going to be using is this olive oil one, the olive oil wrap set mousse. So I'm gonna give myself like just a basic smooth mold because I want to actually shape up my hair. All right, and my hair has grown out a bit, so especially like around the ear tabs. If you have short hair and you like your hair really short, like this hanging over the ear should give you the ick. It gives me the ick. It makes me feel like I need to go cut my hair right now. But I told myself that I was trying to grow out my pixie anyway, so that's why it's been so long since I got a little trim or a haircut. I wanted to get single braids from somebody else. However, I had put in single braids just like not too long ago. As you guys can see, before I relaxed my hair, I had like parts from single braids. And I just wasn't satisfied. It wasn't giving. Like, I missed my hair right away. I wanted to I wanted to take it out and just get back to my pixie cut. So I think I kind of got that little single braid itch out of my system. I just really enjoy my hair. Which is why I'm gonna be shaping up around the ear. I'll let the top grow out a bit, but I'm still gonna try to keep around here fairly clean. Yeah, so I'm just smoothing it down. So tell me if you guys would be interested. I want to make a video, like just a video for molding, just strictly molding, and give you guys like some tips and tricks, especially if you're new to molding and you're having like a hard time molding your hair and getting it smooth or like how you want it. Let me know if you'd be interested in that. I do have a molding video, but I think I just want to kind of update it for you guys. If anyone is interested, let me know. Let me show you the back. So that is it. That's the mold. And I'm using the Rapid strips. All right. I'm gonna go under my hooded dryer because my hair is freshly relaxed. Probably take me about 25-30 minutes to fully dry. I have a really old hooded dryer. This is the one I've been rocking with for about 8 years now. I need to get a new one. I say this in every video. If you don't have a hooded dryer and you have a pixie and you maintain it at home, you need a hooded dryer. It speeds up dry time by so much. Obviously, you can air dry and put the little steamer cap on, but this one definitely does you good if you're trying to do it at home and be efficient. Just get one. For a long time, I never had one. I used to be a girl who would just air dry because I was just being cheap, trying to save, trying to keep my money. But this saves you so much time. It's just so much better, especially when you start doing like more, you know, waves and finger waves and stuff. You just want to get that dry right away. I'm gonna leave all the products that I use in the description box below. I'll also leave my Amazon storefront. I have most of the products that I use to maintain my pixie cut in my Amazon storefront for you to look at, or you can purchase, or you can go to your local beauty supply store, which has most of the products, some of them. So that is it for this video. I'm going to continue to shape my hair and give it a little style, but that's going to be in the next video. So hop on over to the next video if you want to see how I shape up and clean up my pixie cut. If you found this video helpful, useful in any way, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this. Also share with a friend who you think would find this helpful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.